was that? It's part predicament.
Alright. It's totally. Yeah, do it. Write it. Write it, because you're gay.
What if the police came in there?
Phew. I've got rain on my camera now.
From your debt, look.
Owen. What the fuck? I'm molesting it.
Look, he's
Bag it. Bag it.
what's it?
Bag it. Bag it.
Louis, just put your head under the tail. Louis, just do that. That's sitting there looking at Sassy.
Rim it. Rim it. Oh, my camera's all soggy. Cat. Closer.
You don't need to stick your tongue out, just sit in.
You're molesting the horse.
Stick your tongue out a little bit now.
Enjoy it.
That's it, you take a photo.
No, I took a video.
Whoa,
It's still going to be YouTube.